Hey there, people. Welcome back to another episode of Eat with Vivek. In today's episode of Value for Your Money show, we're having brain fry from Imperial Restaurant, which are the place to compete with Empire. I know in the kebab series, the kebab was not as good as I expected it to be, but when I tried ordering brain today, they had options to order brain fry, brain onion, and brain chili. And guess what I picked? What? The brain chili. I knew it! Because I like anything to be a little bit more spicier. So today's episode, brain chili from Imperial. Let's get on to the show. So this is Imperial's famous brain chili. Let's open it up. As soon as I open the box, my room is flooded. Oh ho 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 ho. The smell of fried green chilies and curry leaves is just flooding my room right now. I can't wait to taste this. So, like always, we're going to weigh this. Just like the Empire's brain, Imperial's brain too weighs 98 grams, so I'm going to say the same. With the box gone, I'm pretty sure it'll weigh only around 70-75 grams. Quarter portion of Empire's brain cost me 160 rupees. Imperial is charging you 125. In this manner, I'd say Imperial is giving you a better value for your food. But the taste is going to be the deciding factor also. So let's begin tasting this brain chili. So this is the brain chili. I'm first going to just pick off a piece of chili and try it. Ooh, it's a spicy chili. It's a spicy chili, but I'd say it would have been better if it was fried a little bit more, because I can still taste the rawness of the chili. And now I'm going in for the brain. I'm going to layer it with a little bit of curry leaf, chili, and one piece of the brain. I'm going to add another piece of curry leaf. This is a butter ball, and I can tell you it's going to be a spicy butter ball coated with pepper and chilies. I am really happy I picked to do this series. The chili adds the spice that I really love in a dish. The brain adds that buttery smoothness, and they've added lots of pepper, and like I told you yesterday, the curry leaf takes it all to another level. I really love this dish. I'll be repeating myself, but then again, it is always worth it. Please do try mutton brain with ghee rice, especially when you try it with ghee rice or roti, or like I told you, in between two slices of bread. And it's spicy like this when it's in between the two slices of bread. You will thank me later on. And when you're putting it in between bread, don't forget to add onions to it. You will surely thank me later on. What can I tell you? There is nothing more to explain. I just want to dive into this bowl and finish the whole thing like a hungry wolf. I'm having two thoughts. On one end, I want to just finish this off, and on the other, I want to savor this. Have you ever been in this predicament? Comment and let me know for which dish you've been in such a predicament where you wanted to just finish a dish or and also you felt like you wanted to save it so it extended longer so you could have the pleasure of tasting this dish for a longer. My mouth is just watering. It wants me to go back into this for another bite. So I'm going to do that first. And like the first bite, we're going to add lots of curry leaves on this. And then I'm going to find as many chilies as possible, pull it all to a side. And now I'm going to like just grab all of this and put it into my mouth. Let me just save a few chilies for the last piece too. Yes. Ooh, this is going to be heavenly. I've just got to say one thing. Hats off to whoever cooked this. And I've got to say another thing. Hats off to whoever invented this dish. You rock. This is finger licking good. I think I'm in love with this brain chili from Imperial. So I'm going to be having a nice time with it right now. I'll catch you tomorrow with another brain dish from another restaurant. Till then, take care, stay safe. Hey, wait! Like, share, subscribe to my channel.